Hello and welcome. We want to do a short unboxing video. We are today in Logitech office in Copenhagen, Denmark, and this is the new product Logitech Swytch that I just want to do a short unboxing of. So let's open up the box. First of all, we got a bunch of cables, which we will look at later, and then we got the Logitech setup guide, which is really nice if you want to mount everything properly. In the box we also got the Swytch hub, and we got the Swytch extender, and underneath we will have like power adapters for both the extender and the hub. Whoops. So both of them need to be powered, and if we look at all the cables, we do have a 5 meters of a USB cable between the extender and the hub. We do also get a short USB-C to USB-A and a short HDMI cable. And then we got this beauty, which most people actually think of the Logitech Swytch. So this is the product, and if you want to mount it really nice and properly, you can drill a hole into the table and take the cable down that, and then you got this magnet on top of it. So a really nice installation where you put the Logitech Swytch on top so the users know where the product is and all the cable management is. So thanks for watching. See you. Bye.